Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Duzen at New Hope Chiropractic. How does coronavirus spread? That's something I get asked a lot as a healthcare provider. Well, it's thought to be spreading mostly from person to person between people who are in close contact with one another, about 6 feet typically, and hence the social distancing rule of 6 feet, through respiratory droplets too that are produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes, and these droplets can then land in the mouths or noses of people who are nearby and be inhaled into the lungs and infect them potentially. And another question I get asked a lot, can someone spread the virus without actually being sick? Well, people are thought to be most contagious when they're the most symptomatic, the sickest, but some spread might be possible too before people show symptoms, and there have been reports of this occurring with this new coronavirus, but it's not thought to be the main way that the virus will spread. Also, can the virus be spread from contact with contaminated surfaces or objects? Well, it may be possible that a person can get COVID-19 by touching the surface or object that the virus hasn't come in contact with, and then touching their own mouth, nose, or possibly their eyes. But again, it's not thought to be the main way. But that's why it's a good idea to wipe down surfaces with disinfectant on a routine basis to make sure that there are no droplets of liquid with the virus on there, and that it can be wiped off. So how easily a virus spreads from person to person can vary. Some viruses are highly contagious. They're spread very easily, in other words, like the measles virus, while others are not spread quite as easily. And another factor is whether the spread is sustained, spread continually without stopping. And the virus that causes COVID-19 seems to be spreading easily and sustainably in the community, in the hotspots where it's hit the most. So these are all things to keep in mind when you're thinking about the virus spreading and when you're concerned about that. So that's why it's a good idea to keep some distance from people, wipe everything down, wash your hands frequently, wipe down surfaces that are touched a lot frequently with disinfectant, Lysol or Clorox bleach, and that way things are a little bit safer, and you minimize your chances of getting sick. And as always, remember to keep your immune system beefed up and strong, and so that's why I recommend eating properly, getting plenty of rest, exercising, getting vitamin D, also getting your chiropractic adjustments, because that can also not only keep your body moving properly, but also potentially also help maybe help the immune system too. So these are all things to keep in mind. Check us out at newhopechiropractic.com for further information, and have a healthy day.